everyone, today we are going to make jeera rice. No, not jeera rice actually, jeera matar rice. So it's a twist. Now for that we need lots of jeera, then we have bay leaf, then green chilies, ghee, salt, and we have matar, half bowl of matar boiled, and the rice is also pre-soaked in water for half an hour. So this is a very quick and easy recipe. So let us start quickly. So we will take a pressure cooker over the fire, and then we'll put oil into the pressure cooker, around 1 tablespoon of oil and a little bit of ghee for the proper flavor. So we'll add the ghee in the oil and we'll wait till the oil get warm. Now to it we will add the bay leaves that we have taken. So we'll take around 2 to 3 bay leaves. We'll put it in the oil. Then after that we'll put a lot of jeera seed, as it's jeera rice, so it is very obvious that we will put a lot of jeera into the oil. Then we will roast it nicely in the oil. After that we'll add the green peas, which is boiled, and around half bowl of green peas, as the recipe, the main ingredient is the matar, so we will add lots of matar. Now we will give it a stir and we will also fry the matar nicely, and after that we are going to add the rice, which is, again I said, pre-soaked in water. So we will again drop the rice into the pressure cooker and we will mix it properly with matar. So I have taken the whole rice, which is soaked in water for half an hour around. Now we will give it a proper mix. So let us mix all the ingredients together. So just stir it nicely and mix matar, rice, everything nicely, and then to it we will add salt as per the taste. So we are adding salt as per the taste. After adding salt, again we will mix it so that the salt is evenly distributed. So after stirring it for a while, then we will add water. We have taken 2 cups of rice, so for that we need 4 cups of water. So the amount of rice which you are taking and the water, it should be double. So if you have taken 2 cups of rice, you'll give around 4 cups of water. You'll put 4 cups of water into the pressure cooker. Now again we'll mix it nicely, and after that, for a little bit spiciness, we will add the green chilies. So I have taken around 2 green chilies. You can take as per your taste. So I have taken 2 green chilies and I have put it inside the pressure cooker. Again we will put a little bit of ghee for the flavor. You can add as per your taste. Now we will close the lid of the pressure cooker and on medium flame we will wait, and after 2 whistles we will open it. Now your jeera rice is almost ready.